Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Dusty Brush is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools to hit the market in years, designed specifically to tackle those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies that traditional vacuum cleaners often miss, making it an essential addition for anyone looking to achieve a truly deep and thorough clean throughout their home or workspace. Number 5. KEEPOW 36mm Horsehair Vacuum Attachment Brush. This vacuum attachment is designed for broad compatibility. It fits most household vacuums with hoses measuring 25mm, 32mm, or 35mm in diameter. Crafted with soft natural horsehair bristles, it effectively cleans surfaces without causing scratches. This ensures a gentle touch on delicate items. Its versatility extends to a wide range of cleaning tasks. Use it for windows, curtains, vents, car interiors, furniture, and tight spaces. While universally compatible, it's specifically designed to work with models like the Shark Navigator Liftaway ADV Upright Vacuum LA301. Each package contains two 36mm horsehair brushes and one universal connector. It's ready to enhance your cleaning routine right out of the box. We are here to help with any questions you may have. Our customer support is available 24 hours online for your convenience. What we like? This attachment features soft horsehair bristles, perfect for delicate surfaces. It comes with a universal connector and an extra brush. If you have delicate items or need to clean multiple areas, this set offers great value and gentle cleaning power. What people say? It is very effective for cleaning the dust from blinds and delicate surfaces. The attachment is designed to reach tight spaces and corners, making cleaning more efficient. It works well on keyboards and other electronic devices, removing dust without causing damage. Number 4. ANBOO Universal Vacuum Attachments Kit. Tired of searching for the right vacuum attachment? Our universal kit fits both 114 and 138-inch hoses without any adapter. It connects seamlessly to most vacuums, making cleaning a breeze. Crafted from durable ABS plastic and flexible rubber, these tools are built to withstand regular use. Plus, they're washable for simple upkeep and long-lasting performance. This comprehensive 6-piece set has everything you need to tackle any cleaning challenge. From crevices to delicate surfaces, it's perfect for your home, car, and furniture. Featuring both soft and stiff bristles, it handles all your cleaning needs. Gently dust delicate items or powerfully lift dirt from carpets and upholstery. These lightweight tools are designed for convenience. They attach easily and store neatly in your vacuum's compartment or bag, always ready when you need them. What we like? This comprehensive kit offers 6 different tools for various cleaning needs, eliminating the need for adapters. It includes both soft and stiff brushes for versatile cleaning. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for home and car cleaning, this set provides maximum convenience and adaptability. What people say? It is a great tool for cleaning blinds and other delicate surfaces. The attachment is easy to use and fits most vacuum cleaners. It effectively picks up dust and debris without damaging surfaces. Number 3. 114 Vacuum Attachment Set. Introducing a versatile set of vacuum attachments designed to tackle various cleaning tasks. These accessories are perfect for your shop vac. With a 114-inch inner diameter, these attachments are engineered to fit most standard vacuum wands or hoses. Ensure your vacuum's outer diameter is compatible for a secure fit. The included round brush features soft horsehair bristles. It's ideal for gently dusting and cleaning surfaces like tables, countertops, and vents. This combination tool is specifically designed to reach into tight crevices and dust delicate boards. Please check compatibility with your vacuum model before purchasing. Effectively clean both wet and dry messes in tight spaces with the utility nozzle. Its removable brush makes it adaptable for floor cleaning as well. This comprehensive set includes a variety of tools such as a brush and nozzle combination, a round brush, a flexible flat suction nozzle, an upholstery tool, and a crevice nozzle. What we like? This set provides a good range of specialized tools, including a horsehair round brush for dusting and a wet-dry crevice tool for tight spots. It's designed for specific hose sizes. If you need a variety of attachments for detailed cleaning tasks and have the correct hose size, this kit is a practical choice. What people say? It does a great job of getting dust out of tight spaces. The brush design is effective at loosening debris. It attaches easily to most vacuum cleaners. Number 2. Mini brush kit for home air vents and corners. Tired of dust in hard-to-reach places? This mini brush attachment is designed to tackle those tight corners and air vents with ease. It's compatible with many popular vacuum cleaner brands like Eureka and Royal, fitting hoses with a 114-inch outer diameter. Please check your hose size for the perfect fit. This kit includes an adapter and multiple attachments, making it perfect for cleaning car vents, home air vents, and other delicate surfaces without moving furniture. The flexible flat nozzle allows you to clean dust particles in narrow gaps effortlessly. No need to move heavy objects, just connect and clean. Make cleaning less of a chore. This attachment helps you achieve a thorough clean in areas you couldn't reach before, saving you time and effort. From your car's air vents to the dusty corners of your home, this tool provides a simple solution for detailed cleaning tasks. What we like? This mini brush kit is ideal for reaching difficult corners and narrow gaps with its flexible flat suction nozzle. It includes an adapter for wider compatibility. If you often struggle to clean tight spaces or between objects without moving them, this attachment offers an excellent solution for effortless cleaning. What people say. This attachment is a game changer for cleaning tight spaces and corners. The design allows it to reach under furniture and into crevices effortlessly. It effectively picks up dust and debris that my regular vacuum misses. Number 1. Universal Vacuum Attachment Kit 9-piece set. This versatile kit is designed to fit most household vacuums with 1 to 1/4-inch or 1 to 3/8-inch hoses. It includes adapters for seamless connection, ensuring compatibility with popular brands. This comprehensive 9-piece set has everything you need for a thorough clean. It includes specialized tools like a horsehair brush, crevice tool, upholstery tool, and even flexible extensions for hard-to-reach areas. Crafted from high-quality PP material, these accessories are built to last. They are lightweight and portable, making your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. Get a complete set of vacuum cleaner accessories at an economical price. This kit offers a practical and cost-effective way to maintain your vacuum's performance. Inside, you'll find a variety of brushes, crevice tools, extension tubes, and adapters. It's everything you need to tackle dust and debris in every corner of your home. For optimal cleaning results, we recommend replacing your vacuum attachments regularly. This kit provides the perfect solution to keep your vacuum running at its best. What we like? This extensive 9-piece kit includes a variety of tools, a long dryer vent hose, and adapters for different vacuum sizes. It's made from durable PP material. If you need a comprehensive set for deep cleaning, including specialized tasks like dryer vents, and want a cost-effective, durable option, this kit is a fantastic value. What people say. This vacuum attachment is a game-changer for cleaning delicate electronics and hard-to-reach areas. Its fine bristles effectively capture dust without causing damage. The design is ingenious, allowing it to connect to most standard vacuum hoses. It reaches into crevices and corners that traditional attachments can't. I was impressed by how well it picked up pet hair from furniture and car interiors. The suction power combined with the brush action makes it very efficient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.